Here's another update on the micro bootlegger build. Right now I have the first two strips are on. Got them glued to the bow and the stern. They're drying. I have hot glue holding the strip on each of these locations. I just haven't removed the clamps yet. I finally got to try out the scarfing jig. Worked pretty good. Just turn on the shop vac, turn on the sander, and then run the strip up in here until you got a nice point on the end. Just like sharpening a pencil. My little clamping jigs. They work. The glue does stick to the plastic a little, so that's kind of a oops. I could probably spray them with some type of release agent or put some furniture wax on them or something to help keep that from happening. I might give that a go. Ran out of clamps, had to go buy more. That's why you see two different colors. Got one side and this one. I decided to go ahead and follow the curve of the chine for my first strips instead of just laying them straight. So that's why this first strip has a bit of a curve to it at the front. This is the bow on this end. You can kind of see it pretty pronounced, curves down to the front. I'm just using wood glue on everything for the scarfing joints. Everything will be glued up and then epoxied and fiberglassed and everything, so it shouldn't matter. I could use CA glue, speed it up, but not really in that much of a hurry. Anywho, that's where we're at.